For all the wrong reasons, you may be allergic to allergies. Zyrtec for powerful allergy relief. And Zyrtec is different than Claritin because it starts working faster the first day you take it. Try Zyrtec. Mother no more.
You can get straighten curly hair without chemicals, blow dryers, or damaging flat irons. Now, there's Simply Straight, the amazing new ceramic straightening brush that makes straightening your hair as easy as brushing your hair.
Kool-Aid mustache.
What's the difference? Whether you have thick hair or thin
Girl,
hair,
that's not new at all.
Simply Straight is perfect for all ages. Now you can go from curly to straight in a fraction of the time. Get your Simply Straight online or at
Somebody told me about that brush. Aunt Tony.
Does it work? When there's a world of options at your fingertips,
Not on her hair, she said. Yeah, I know why. I think your hair's thicker than mine.
So what are you waiting for?
It's like she got black people hair.
Huh?
Hers is like black people hair, straight up. Like,
Experience vacations. You may be a diet. Call right now. Call 800-823-3160. That's 800-823-3160.
Moms know their family's mouths often need a lucky man. After brushing, Listerine Total Care helps prevent cavities. Strengthens teeth. 6 benefits. Power to your starting at age 6, Listerine supplements deliver extra cavity protection after brushing. Hey, pet lovers! At Chewy.com, you can shop from over 500 brands of pet food and supplies.
Baby, I'm smoking out here. I don't want you out here. We don't have to
Go on.
door. Go. Go in. Go
Go on.
in. Shut the door.
Save 20% on your favorite brands today. Shop online.
Come on, boy.
Come on.